Today, we are talking about a social media specialist job description. This is someone who specializes in creating, implementing, and managing social media content and strategies for businesses. They do this for brands and products using various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, etc., etc. Social media specialists will analyze metrics and identify trends, adjust the campaigns, and optimize the results. Their duties include responding to customer inquiries, creating content, monitoring social media for relevant trends and topics. Folks coming into this social media specialist role should have excellent communication, marketing, analytical skills, as well as knowledge of the platforms themselves and have had some experience in these platforms, broad digital marketing experience, and SEO best practices. Some companies will ask for a degree in marketing or communication. A lot of companies these days are just going to be happy that you've had some relevant experience that you can demonstrate. So, if you have a passion for social media marketing and are adept at metrics, then a social media specialist job description might be a perfect fit for you. Uh, the job description here on jobdescription.org has all the job duties and responsibilities. It has experience and education requirements. So you do need some kind of experience, right? At the very least, a high school diploma, but some employees may consider people with an associate's degree. Some may just make a blanket statement like, oh, we require a bachelor's. I think ultimately, if you have experience in social media marketing, that's the really important part here. And that could be unpaid, volunteer, internships, part time jobs. It could be your own social media platforms that you've grown and had success with. And obviously, you're going to need to be able to work in a team environment and work together on those campaigns. In terms of salary, the data right now, Glassdoor, PayScale, Indeed shows it's somewhere between $40,000 and $70,000 a year here in the U.S., with the average of $54,000. And obviously, this will vary depending on location, years of experience, size of the company. And I think if you get into sort of some of the higher growth SaaS companies, you may see salaries a little higher than this. In the UK, I think this might be low, 27,000. But again, the data is always a little bit behind reality. In terms of career outlook, this is a growing space. The data is showing it's going to grow 8% over this time, which is faster than the average for other occupations. There'll be approximately 22,000 new jobs for social media specialists in the US during this period. Social media has become even more important. Companies are just leaning into that even more. So, to summarize, what does a social media specialist do? They create and manage social media content for a company. They develop campaigns and strategies. What skills do they need? A social media specialist should be skilled in content creation, analytics, social media platform communications. You should probably be really good at Canva or working with some kind of design tool. And you should be able to understand the audience and create content that resonates with them. So if your experience is working in social media for dentists, and all of a sudden now you're going to go sell cars, you're going to have to learn the difference between how to market those products. And the same is true of any marketing role. What's the salary? 50, 60,000 probably. And we also have a cover letter here and some related jobs. So for more information, check out jobdescription.org. We will put a link in the description.